Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Quick Summary Squad. Today we are going to see a clear picture of the trending topic ChatGPT AI. So my dear friends, the detailed information means from what is it to can we earn money by it. We are going to check it out from step by step, so fasten the seat and get ready to explore the ChatGPT AI. First, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that is trained to generate human-like responses to a wide range of text-based prompts, including questions, statements, and requests for information. It is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, which uses deep learning techniques to generate natural language text that is similar to human-generated text. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast corpus of text from the internet, including books, articles, and websites, and is capable of understanding and generating text in a variety of languages. It is designed to be a flexible and adaptable tool that can be used for a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including chatbots, question-answering systems, and text summarization. What are the advantages of ChatGPT? There are several advantages of using ChatGPT. Versatility. ChatGPT is a highly versatile language model that can be used for a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including chatbots, question-answering systems, and text summarization. Human-like responses. ChatGPT is trained on a vast corpus of text data, which allows it to generate responses that are similar to those generated by humans. This can help to create more engaging and natural conversations with users. Continuous learning. ChatGPT is capable of continuous learning, which means that it can be trained on new data over time to improve its performance and accuracy. Multilingual support. ChatGPT is capable of understanding and generating text in multiple languages, which makes it a valuable tool for businesses and organizations that operate in international markets. Cost-effective. Building a chatbot or question-answering system from scratch can be a time-consuming and expensive process. ChatGPT provides a cost-effective solution that can be quickly integrated into existing systems. Overall, ChatGPT provides a powerful and flexible tool for natural language processing that can help businesses and organizations to improve their customer engagement and enhance the overall user experience. What are disadvantages of ChatGPT? While ChatGPT has several advantages, it also has a few potential disadvantages. Lack of control. ChatGPT generates responses based on the input it receives, which means that the user has limited control over the output. This can lead to unexpected or inappropriate responses, particularly in cases where the input is ambiguous or unclear. Training data bias. ChatGPT is trained on a vast corpus of text data, which may contain biases or inaccuracies. This can lead to responses that are similarly biased or inaccurate, particularly in cases where the input contains sensitive or controversial topics. Need for data processing. ChatGPT requires a significant amount of data processing and computational resources to train and run. This can be a challenge for businesses or organizations that do not have access to the necessary infrastructure or expertise. Limited context. ChatGPT generates responses based on the input it receives, but it may not always have access to the context or background information necessary to provide a comprehensive or accurate response. This can be a limitation in cases where the input is complex or multifaceted. Ethical concerns. As with any AI technology, there are ethical concerns associated with the use of ChatGPT. These include issues related to privacy, bias, and accountability. Overall, while ChatGPT has many potential benefits, it is important to carefully consider these potential limitations and challenges before implementing it in a business or organizational context. How to use ChatGPT? ChatGPT can be used in a variety of ways, depending on your specific needs and use case. Here are some general steps to follow. Choose a platform or framework. There are several platforms and frameworks that support ChatGPT, including OpenAI's GPT-3 API, Hugging Face's Transformers library, and Google's TensorFlow. Choose a platform or framework that best suits your needs and expertise. Prepare your data. To use ChatGPT effectively, you will need to prepare your data by cleaning and formatting it to ensure that it is compatible with the platform or framework you have chosen. Train the model. If you are using a platform that requires training, you will need to train the ChatGPT model using your prepared data. This can be a time-consuming process that requires significant computational resources, so be prepared to invest the necessary time and resources. Integrate with your application. Once you have trained the model, you will need to integrate it with your application or system. This will typically involve writing code that interfaces with the platform or framework you have chosen. Test and refine. Once you have integrated ChatGPT with your application or system, it's important to test it thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected. You may need to refine the model and/or your data preparation process based on your testing results. Deploy. Once you are satisfied with the performance of ChatGPT, you can deploy it to your production environment and begin using it to generate responses to user input. Overall, using ChatGPT requires a significant investment of time and resources, but it can provide a powerful and flexible tool for natural language processing. It's important to carefully consider your specific needs and use case before choosing a platform or framework, and to be prepared to invest the necessary resources to train and integrate the model effectively. Can we earn money using ChatGPT? As an AI language model, ChatGPT is a tool that can be used to improve user engagement and enhance the user experience. But it is not a direct means of earning money. However, there are several ways in which ChatGPT can indirectly help businesses and organizations to generate revenue. Improved customer engagement. By using ChatGPT to provide more engaging and natural conversations with users, businesses and organizations can build stronger relationships with their customers, which can lead to increased loyalty and repeat business. Increased efficiency. ChatGPT can help to automate routine customer service tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions, which can free up staff time and resources for other revenue-generating activities. Competitive advantage. By integrating ChatGPT into their customer service or marketing strategies, businesses and organizations can differentiate themselves from their competitors and attract new customers. Overall, while ChatGPT is not a direct means of earning money, it can provide significant benefits for businesses and organizations that are looking to improve their customer engagement and generate revenue. What is the overview of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that is designed to generate human-like responses to natural language input. It is part of a family of AI language models known as Generative Pre-trained Transformers, GPTs, which are trained on vast amounts of text data and can generate coherent and relevant responses to a wide range of language tasks. ChatGPT is particularly well suited for use in natural language processing (NLP) applications, such as chatbots and virtual assistants, where it can provide more engaging and natural conversations with users. It has been used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, customer service, and finance, to improve user engagement and enhance the user experience. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to learn from large amounts of data and generate responses that are contextually relevant and coherent. This allows it to handle a wide range of language tasks, from simple responses to complex conversations. However, as with any AI technology, there are also potential limitations and challenges associated with the use of ChatGPT, including issues related to bias, privacy, and ethical concerns. It is important to carefully consider these potential limitations and challenges before implementing ChatGPT in a business or organizational context. Overall, ChatGPT represents an important development in the field of natural language processing and has the potential to provide significant benefits for businesses and organizations that are looking to improve their customer engagement and enhance the user experience. So, by this I assume that you got a clear picture of this AI. If you think this video was useful and made worth of your time, please consider subscribing for further useful videos and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you and see you in next upcoming useful video.